Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mini Skills. In the last class, we have discussed some of the topics in the data structure. Today, we are going to discuss a new topic which is expression handling. It is an application of a stack operations. Expression handling is entirely based on the stack operation only. In this expression handling, we have three types of notations. One is infix notation, another one is prefix notation, and the last thing is postfix notation. How we are going to do this type of notations means based on the operands and operators. What is mean by the expression? Expression contains operands and operators. Without having any operands and operators, expression is does not available. So what is meant by the operand means, see here, operands is nothing but it is A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. All the characters are operands. And what is meant by the operators means it is nothing but addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, brackets 2. Brackets, which means close bracket, open bracket, these and all comes under the operators, which those are known as special characters also. Okay, now see here infix notation. What is meant by the infix notation? Operator stands between the operands, which means here plus is an operator where A and B are the operands. So our plus is there in between the operands, so it is known as infix notation. Okay, next, what is meant by the prefix notation? Prefix notation is nothing but operator stands starting position of any expression. As see your example is plus AB, which means plus is there in their starting position of this expression plus AB. So this is known as prefix notation. What is postfix notation then? It is opposite to the prefix, which means our operator should stand after the any notation, then it is known as postfix expression. Okay, today we will see some of the conversation on infix to postfix expression. Okay, how to convert from one expression to another expression. See here example is A plus B into C, which means it is an infix expression. How you know it is an infix expression? Our operator stands between the operands, so it is an infix expression. For conversion of one expression to another expression, we have some types of rules. What is the rules means? It is already used a stack operation that already we know. And another thing is operands will not accumulate into the stack. It directly goes to the output. A stack doesn't contain the operands. Operands means characters, which means A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, whatever it may be. It cannot accumulate into the stack. Only operators will be stored into stack. It will store only the operators. If operand will come, means directly it goes to the output based on the operator precedence. See here, based on the operator precedence, output will be calculated. Because why means operator precedence is nothing but, so I will show you example. Operator precedence means, see here multiplication, this is the operator precedence, this is the highest priority. These and all have highest priority, which means multiplication, modulus and divided has highest priority. Next highest priority is nothing but addition, subtraction, addition, subtraction. These are the next highest priority. So based on the precedence, which means priority, it will calculated. Next, and then the fifth rule is if bracket is opens once, means until it closes, in between the bracket some of the operators will be stored na, those cannot come to the output. Okay, only closing of the bracket only output will be calculated. Okay, now we will see one example in the operator. It means infix to postfix expression. See here, what is the example here? We have example is a plus b into c, which is a infix notation. It is a infix notation. We have to convert it as prefix as a postfix notation. Okay, we have to convert it as postfix. Okay, we have to convert it as postfix. Okay, this is the, I have drawn here a table which is a character, stack and output. So initially how I am doing means, see here, initially what is the character, first character is a, so I am taking a character a. Stack, what is the stack? Stack doesn't contain the operands, so it will give as empty. Okay, empty. Next, what is the output? As you told that if operand will come directly, it will takes to the output. And next thing is, what is the second character? It is a plus symbol. Plus symbol will accumulate the stack. Why? Because it is a operator. And what is the output? Initially output a, now also our output is a. What is the next character? Our next character is bracket. And what is the stack? Tag, already the output will be there plus, now again one output will came na, that is the that one. And what is the output? Output is a only again. Then what is the next character? Next character is b. And what is the stack? Stack doesn't contain the b. Why? Because it is a operand and our stack contains only initial what is there before the iteration, that will be there. And what is the output now? A already there, now b came again. Next, what is the next? The next operator is, which is a star. So this is an operator, so already plus and this operator will be there. Now again it came the multiplication symbol. Next, what is the output now? A, b only. Then what is the next character? Next character is c. And what is the, as c is a operand, it doesn't, it goes to direct to the output. Then what is our symbol? Symbols contain same as it is. And what is the output of now? As initially a, b is there, now c is came again. Okay, and the last character is, it is a bracket, as bracket is there here. And what is the output? Plus this, and star will be there, and again this will be there. See here, all what I told, once bracket opens until it closes, the symbol between the here is does not come out. If it closes now, whatever there in between that braces, it will come out of the output. Well, now what is the output? A, b, c, and output is star now. Okay, have you understand this? And next thing is, what is the next thing is, and what is the remaining? We have everything is completed, and stack contains only the plus symbol here. Okay, stack contains the plus symbol. Now only stack contains only plus symbol na, directly it goes to the output in the last iteration. And now our output is a, b, c, star and plus. This is our final output. Okay, our output is a, b, c, star, a. What is this? This is nothing but a, what is this? This is nothing but a postfix expression, which is a postfix expression. Okay, postfix expression. Okay, wow. Okay guys, now we will see the second example. What is the second example means? When I ask one expression by the numericals and they ask to find the value of it, means what you have to do means, first see the example 2 plus 4 minus 1 into 3, which is an infix expression, as you know that. Why? Because operators will be there at the middle of the operand. If they ask like means, first you have to convert that infix expression to postfix expression. As I told in the example one, same like that, do it by the step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. If you do means you definitely will get. If you have any doubt means post in the chat box. I will explain in the next class. Okay. And after getting the postfix expression, this is your postfix expression. Okay. After getting this postfix expression, we have to push that values into the stack. What is there? 2 4 1. No, this and all are the operands. So what you have to do, first there I am pushing the 2 I have pushed, and 4 I have pushed, another 1 I have pushed. What is the next character is there? Minus character is there. If minus character will come means, this is the minus character come means, what you have to do means, if whenever the operator will come on the stack means, you have to do the process as what is there in the top two values. That you have to do is, what is the top two values? 1 and 4 are the top two values. See here, this is the top two values, 1 and 4. This is the top two values. So you have to subtract, and our operator is subtraction, and the topest two values are 1 and 4. So you have to subtract them. See the 4 minus 1, which is 3, that I have inserted in the stack. Now initial value is 2 is there, and then 3 is there. Okay. And what is the next value I have to insert? Minus completed. Next 3 is again is will be there. So I have pushed the 3 here. See the process, man. 3 is there. And what is the next character is multiplication. Whenever multiplication will come means, what I have to do? I have to do the multiplication of top two values. What is the top two values? 3 and 3. 3 3s are what? 9. That I have to insert into the stack. So see here, I have inserted that in the stack. What is our last character? What is our last character? Addition. So whenever I got the addition means, what I have to do? I have to add the top two values. What is the top two values here? 9 and 2. 9 plus 2 is what? 11. So that I have given here. And another next character is not there. All the characters has completed, and our initial output in the stack contains only the 11. What is the last character that remains in the stack? That is our output. Our initial output is 11. 11 is the value. 11 is the answer for the given expression. This is the way to do like these problems. If you have any doubts means, I will take the another problem also. See here, the same thing is there here. Okay, same thing. See here, first initially I am pushing my 4 value, and then again I am pushing 5. Next again I am pushing the value which is 6. Okay, and next thing is, what is the next character I have? Multiplication I have. So what I am doing? What is the top two values here? 6 and 5. So I am doing the multiplication of 6 and 5. What I will get? 30 I will get. And what is our next character? Is plus. What is the plus means? What I have to do? What is the topmost two values that I have to add? What is the topmost two value here? 30 and 4 is the topmost two values. So I am adding it. So it is getting 34. Okay friends, you have understand means. If you are not understanding means, you have any doubts means, get clarified by using mentioning in the chat box. Okay friends, thank you.